Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. It has been a crazy day over here. A lot has changed, okay? And some of this I'm just not going to get into with you, but I'll give you the gist of kind of where we're at. So, started the day with the intention of working on the 73 Volkswagen thing. That quickly turned into not working on the 73 Volkswagen thing. I can tell you the things that have changed. So Don's 1957 Chevy BelAir is no longer here. It's gone. Not going to get into that, but it's not here. So you won't be seeing that car anymore. Yeah, so that's the thing. And then the other is we will not be putting a big block into the 58 Apache as of right now, because the big block we were supposed to get, we're not getting. So yeah, so there's that. But long story short, I did manage to, in between all of the craziness today of getting Don's car loaded up over to his house, getting my Chrysler 300 from his house and back over here, getting our car trailer, all the things, managed to get an hour between 6:30 and 7:30 this evening to work on the things. Let me show you what I got done. So, managed to get the tops rubbers on all four doors. I've got all the door handles on both sides, and all the door seals are on. So we're getting there. What we have left is mirrors. Got to install the mirrors tomorrow. I need to go around to each door and make it fit better and adjust the hinges and pull the hinge bolts out one at a time and Loctite them, because they want to loosen up over time and it causes weird issues. So gonna fix that tomorrow. Also have this exhaust leak, which you guys know about, that we started to work on and ended up all the other stuff happening. But we'll get that done, get the doors adjusted, mirrors installed, and then I'm going to go around and do some paint touch-ups. Actually, I'm going to wash this thing first. It's dirty, so you can see. Wash it, get it cleaned up, get it polished up, and then I'll go around and we'll do little paint touch-ups, like on the hinge, you know, just stupid stuff. We'll clean that up. Detail the car out tomorrow, hopefully, and have this thing ready for our picture or photo shoot we want to do for our t-shirts and hats and things of that nature. And we're doing a limited edition, well, I guess limited. We're doing a thing t-shirt and at least one design, maybe two designs, and we're also going to do probably hats or something like that. My wife's been working on a website with a Shopify store. And sorry for the yawn, I'm exhausted. It's like 11 o'clock at night. That we're going to have available to you guys here shortly. So that you can buy Brown's Rod and Custom merch if you so desire. And support the channel. So yeah, so really today was just, I mean, it was nuts. I started the day expecting to have this ready to sell and I'm close. I still got things done, but I didn't get where I wanted to get. But the exciting thing, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see it in this, but I'll show you if I can. The Apache is now in the driveway because the Apache is the next car in. So hopefully, probably not tomorrow, but the next day, we'll take the bed off the Apache, disassemble the bed, rear bumper off of it, everything to the back of the cab, and get that stuff in here and hit it with the Bauer, get it down to bare metal, do any patches that need to be done, get it primed, and really just disassemble that whole cab and body and get it down to a frame, and then we can start disassembling the frame. And basically we're going to do a high-end budget build of a 1958 Chevy Apache. I'm going to go through and show you how you can have a really slick truck that can win car shows, that's fun to drive on a budget. That's what we're going to do. It will be painted, it will be all the things, it will be detailed out, it will be slick. It will probably have a small black Chevy in it, probably a 350, but don't hold me to that. Depends on what I find. And all the things. So that's what we're going to do. That's what's coming next. So be ready. It is Apache time. And yeah, so if you're looking for a 1973 Volkswagen thing, this Volkswagen thing is for sale. If you're interested in it, hit me up in the comments or leave me a message over at, you can email me at brownsrodandcustom@gmail.com, and we can have a chat. And you know, if you guys are interested in this, then let me know. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go to bed. Sorry I didn't have a whole lot of content for you. This was a bunch of stuff that I don't need to be filming that happened today. And you know, tomorrow will be a lot better. We'll have a lot more stuff for you tomorrow. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom. Please like and subscribe.